and you're gonna strum 3 times, then you go to D 2 times, then E 3 times, and then to D 2 times. That's the chorus, and the verse goes like this: A, D, D, E, E, D.
It's waiting for me, but I must spend a study of screen. Think about the meaning of my life today, and I have to say